are developing smart object and functionalities, and we can do that on a different kind of substrate. We can have rigid ones like glass or even wafers, but we are also developing on flexible and stretchable applications. The idea is to first to know the substrate, to know, for example, the roughness, to know how the interface is, and then we will select different inks, and we will use either printing techniques such as screen printing, slot die, inkjet printing, or others. So we can have chips, we can have resistance or LEDs. We have different ways of assembling them, and we call it pick and place them on the different kind of substrate, bio-based substrate. We are developing different elements. For example, if we take the example of a piezoelectric, this can be used in the medical sector for monitoring the heartbeat of a patient. We are working also in the automotive sector, also with piezoelectric elements. We are developing a human-machine interface.